Welcome to Navy Hotpot Cooks. Now me be your girl, Lady Hotpot. Where better foods they happen non-stop. Niger food, African food, correct international dishes. All now street, all now correct. If you never sabi cook, today na your lucky day. If you sabi already, come upgrade your level. No forget to subscribe, like and turn on notification bell. Make hunger no catch you off guard. Now, if we enter kitchen, make we cook am. My people, wait till the apple. Today na correct jollof rice one cook. The kind wey go make your neighbor dey ask, abeg, wetin you cook? No darling, make I go market sharp sharp. Make sure, say you get this once before you shout, jollof is ready. Rice, local or foreign, my choice. Fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, papache, scotch bonnet, aparodo, depending on how hot you like am. Onions, plenty, modesty, tomato paste, vegetable oil or groundnut oil, chicken stock, from the chicken where you cook, curry powder, onion, bay leaf, white pepper or black pepper, salt, seasoning cubes, ginger and garlic, blend am join if you like better flavor. Old chicken or chicken parts, onions, curry powder, thyme, paprika or chili powder, ginger and garlic, salt, seasoning cubes, white pepper or black pepper, vegetable oil if you want fry the chicken, water for boiling. First of all, make me handle this chicken. Wash am clean, no be small. Put am for pot. Add onion, curry, thyme, pepper, seasoning cube, salt. This guy make dey your house through hand John. Add small water, cover am, make am boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. When it does soft and well seasoned, bring the chicken comot. The water no be ordinary water, na liquid gold. Chicken stock, no waste am. Put eye for pan, make am hot well well. Fry the chicken till e brown, fine and dey crunchy. Bring am comot, make FF or drop. Chicken don set. Now, make we run the jollof pepper. Blend tomatoes, tatashe, atarodo and onion together. Blend am smooth. And the dry this dough we dey use, keep am one aside. Oya jollof loading. Put oil for pot. Add onion. Fry small, make it smell sweet. Add tomato paste and fry am well for like 5 minutes. If you no fry am, jollof goes sour. Don't try am. Pour the blended pepper inside. Cook am till it's thick and oil don dey shy for top like fin and middle. Now add curry, thyme, bay leaf, seasoning cube, salt. Arrange am as your spirit lead you. Pour that chicken stock inside and mix am. Wash your rice well and add am join. Steam small, cover am and allow am cook. When water don nearly dry, lower the fire. Cover am tight. Make am steam. Na that steam e dey give jollof that hearty type. After subbing it, open am and turn am gently. Taste am. If e no sweet, adjust am. but it fit sweet. Your Korean street jollof don't lie though. Save am hot with that crispy fried chicken. If person no lick plate, something dey wrong. If this food makes sense to you, like am, share, subscribe, join the family. More correct food still dey come. My people, I salute una.